week is going? Listen, I just have really bad hiccups, okay?
A few moments later.
Welcome to the zone.
These are hiccups! I swear! I swear I just have a really bad case of hiccups. I don't know why the zone would be involved. I don't think that's gonna help with my hiccups. That is not the type of liquid you drink to get rid of hiccups. They're your failed attempts at a saxophone. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I am not a fish. I am not a fish. I am not a fish. I want dicks. Why are you bonking me? The bonking, I guess, didn't get rid of my hiccups.